And this is gonna soak for 24 hours. Chicken bouillon. Chicken and beef go really good together. A little bit of salt. And we don't need that much because the Maggi has salt and so does the chicken bouillon. Garlic. Pepper. So I'm gonna add some sugar. Some soy sauce. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Some sriracha, just for a little hint of spice. And a little bit of teriyaki. And I'm gonna let this marinate for 24 hours. Okay. And I'm gonna save the rest of this. A little bit of cooking oil. This is gonna marinate in the refrigerator overnight. I'm gonna also add some baking soda to this to tenderize my meat. And yes, this is just gonna be delicious tomorrow. I'm gonna be adding some green beans, mushrooms, sweet onion, green onion, and all the rib.
It's like a jalapeno.
Yes. I'm gonna make a little spicy. So I like spicy beef. Just slightly spicy, sweet and spicy. I took all the rib out, so it's not gonna be that hot. Take my chicken, the beef. Let it do the do overnight in the fridge.